Hello everyone, my name is Biraj and my project partners are Julius, Suraj and Anshuman. We are making an IoT based project which is Smart Motion Detection Security System using Raspberry Pi under the guidance of Sir Manoj Kumar Muchari. In modern world, surveillance cameras plays a significant role in this fulfillment of our security. Based on that, we have tried to design a 24/7 surveillance camera using Raspberry Pi. The main objective of this project is to create a security-based system which is more affordable, user-friendly, flexible, and at the same time easy to implement based on the existing technology on disposal. Moving on, let's talk about the components we have used in this project. Following are the components. Number 1, Raspberry Pi. It is a low-cost credit card size computer which can be plugged into a computer, TV or a HDMI screen. It is a very capable little device which we used in this project. Number 2, Raspberry Pi camera. We have used a 5 megapixel camera based on the OmniVision 5647 sensor to record the videos and capture the photos of the culprits. Number 3, PIR Sensor. It is used to detect the presence of any human being in the room or that particular area where the surveillance camera is kept. Number 4, jumper wires. They are used to connect the PIR sensor to the Raspberry Pi. And lastly, a 5-volt current supply. Here we are using a USB Type B mobile charger for the current supply.
So here is the complete setup. Before running the program, let's check the source code first. So you can see we have imported different packages like the one for camera, time spent, which we have got it. Let's run it in the terminal now. So in order to check the sensing, I will wave my hand in front of the PIR sensor. So you can see when my hand is over the sensor, it shows high. That means camera starts recording. Once I remove my hand, it stops recording and saves it. So let's go and check the output now. As you can see, it is successfully sensing my hand, so the security system is working properly. For March demonstration, our task was remote access. So here it is.
And so we're accessing our Raspberry Pi through a remote access using my phone through an app called VNC Viewer. Go here, and then we have come inside. We'll run the code now and try to access motion detection.py. We'll run now, and my friend who is somewhere else will try to detect. Yep, it's recording. It's detecting motion, and it is stopped now.
Since my friend Julius has run the program in his phone, so we will try to check the output in my phone. So as you can see, the program is running successfully. So our future work is to work in notification. Here the notification will work when the sensor detects any suspicious activity. It will immediately send a notification to the user.